into the plank exercise. Now this exercise, if you're a beginner, start on your knees. Keep your core nice and tight. You're going to time it for a minute and see where you get. As soon as you cannot hold this position any longer, you're going to record your time, and that will be what you can look back on next time. You can hopefully get a little bit longer. So now he's going to show on his toes. This is the advanced movement. Now notice he's in a complete straight line and he's keeping his core nice and tight. A lot of times people will drop their hips. Justin, go ahead and show that. And then, or they'll go ahead and they'll raise, see how his glutes are up in the air? This is also not proper form. So if you have someone watching you or you have a mirror to look in, make sure you're nice and flat, your core is nice and tight, and he's making sure he doesn't forget to breathe. So good job, Justin. Thanks for showing everyone those exercises. And again, it'll only take you 3 minutes, and please record, write it on our site, give us feedback on how you did, and we'd love to see your results in a month. So see you guys next time.